students. Dear students, today you will learn about the volume of cylinder. You know very well what type of cylinder, shape of cylinder, any object whose two ends are circular oil can, cylindrically tank you see all around of you. It is the height. Bottom end is circular whose center is O, and top end is circular whose center is O dash. When we join O dash, height of cylinder is formed. It is the height. O dash is the height. It is the diameter, and half of diameter is radius. H makes angle or diameter is 90 degree, so it is called right circular cylinder also. When we pour some material in this cylinder, first of all it will cover its base. Suppose it is a cylindrical tank. If we pour some water in this, first of all it will cover its base, and then it will cover its height. So volume, it will fill fully. So volume of cylinder is base area multiplied by H. Now, what shape of base? It is a circle. And what is the area of circle? Pi r square multiplied by H. And it is the formula for volume of cylinder. Or capacity of cylinder. First example is radius of base is 7 centimeter and height is 1.5 decimeter. We have to find out volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder. What is the formula? What is the derivation of formula? Volume of cylinder is pi r square H. What is the value of pi? Pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. What is the r? 7. You have to write 7 two times because r square. And what is the H? Now height is in decimeter but r is radius is in centimeter. So we need to convert decimeter into centimeter. Multiply by 10, which is 15 centimeter. Now solve it. 7 ones are 7 ones are 22 multiply by 7 multiply by 15. It is 154 multiply by 15, which you find when we multiply, so it will be 15 4s are 60, 6, 75 and 6, 81, 8, 15, 1 are 15 and 8, 23. 2310. What will be the unit? Centimeter square. It is the answer. 2310 centimeter cube, not square, because volume, unit of volume is cubic centimeter or cubic meter. Second example is area of base is 154 centimeter square and height is 15 centimeter. Find its volume. Volume of cylinder, question mark. We will write the formula for volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now, not need to put the value of pi because area of base. What is the meaning of area of base? Pi r square is 154 is given. You can put the value of pi r square is 154 and multiply by 15. H is 15 and area of base, what is the its area, which is pi r square is when 154 is given. No need to put the value of pi again. 154 multiplied by 15 same 2310 and centimeter cube. It is the answer. Understand the statement. What is given? Always take the help of given. Third example is circumference of base. Circumference of base, it is given 1.32 meter and height is 25 centimeter. Now what is the circumference? Make the figure of cylinder. What is given? Circumference of base. What is the base? Circle. And what is the circumference? Its boundary. It is given. And what is the formula? Circumference of circle? 2 pi r. It means 2 pi r is 1.32 meter is given. You can find out the value of r from this equation. R is 1.32 divided by 2 pi. You can solve the decimal by 100, multiply by 2, multiply by 22 by 7. Reciprocal of 22 by 7 is 7 by 22. Now solve it. 22 6 are 2 1s are and 2 3s are. 21 by 100 meter. We can convert into centimeter because height is in centimeter. 21 by 100 multiplied by 100 centimeter. It means value of r is 21 centimeter. It means radius of the base is 21 centimeter, height is 25 centimeter, and you can find out volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is, what is the formula? Pi r square h. 22 by 7. What is the R? 21 multiply by 21 and H is 25. 7 ones are 7 threes are. Now multiply this 22 multiply by 3 multiply by 21 multiply by 25 and it will be 34,615 centimeter cube. It is the answer. Centimeter. I hope these examples will be clear to you. Thank you.